What's the meaning of coursework? Coursework. Coursework.
Coursework. Coursework. Coursework refers to the academic work that students have to complete during a course or program of study. It typically includes assignments, essays, projects, reports, and other forms of written and practical work that are assessed and graded by the teacher or instructor. Coursework is an important part of the learning process as it helps students develop their knowledge, skills, and understanding of the subject matter. Successful completion of coursework can lead to higher grades, academic achievements, and enhanced career prospects. Overall, coursework is a vital aspect of education that supports student growth and development.